In this BingX Sign Up tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your account, complete KYC step-by-step, enable strong security with 2FA and an anti-phishing code, and find your beginner rewards fast and safely. To land on the exact registration page I'm using, tap the link in the description. When you register, enter the referral code JC1ZN6. If it isn't auto-filled, type JC1ZN6 manually before you continue. This video is educational, not financial advice. Crypto is risky. Only invest what you can afford to lose and always do your own research. Here's what you'll learn in minutes. BingX Sign Up on web or app. BingX KYC, how to turn on two-factor authentication. And an anti-phishing code and where to check new user perks inside Rewards Hub. Before we start, prepare your ID or passport. Make sure you're in a bright room for a clear selfie and have a stable internet connection. Double-check that your account name matches your document exactly. Let's create your BingX account now. Open the link in the description and tap Sign Up or Register. Choose email or mobile, enter your details, and create a strong, unique password you haven't used anywhere else. When you see the field for invite or referral code, type JC1ZN6. That's the code that ties your account to eligible new user perks for your region. If it's already there, perfect, leave it. Check your email or SMS for the verification code and confirm your account. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment, check spam or junk and request a new one. Great account created. Now let's secure it immediately. Go to Security and enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app. It's more resilient than SMS. Save your backup codes and store them safely offline. Next, set an anti-phishing code, a short phrase that appears in official BingX emails so you can spot fakes instantly. If any message ever asks for your password or seed phrase, it's a scam. Now we'll complete KYC so you unlock higher limits and full features. Open Identity Verification or KYC. Select your country, choose your document type ID card, driver's license, or passport and follow the prompts. Upload clear photos of the front and back. Keep the image bright, remove glare, and make sure all corners are visible. Don't crop edges or use filters. When it asks for a selfie or liveness check, center your face, remove hats or glasses, and follow the on-screen instructions slowly. Submit and wait for review. It's often quick, but timing can vary. If you're rejected, read the reason carefully. Most issues are simple fixes like retaking a sharper photo or correcting a mismatch. Once KYC is approved, you'll see a confirmation inside your account. Nice work, your profile is now verified and secured. Let's check your new user rewards. Open Rewards Hub or tasks inside BingX. You'll see the current offers for new users in your region. Read the details and follow the steps shown on your screen. Track your progress and claim items as they unlock. Common issues and fast fixes, here we go. If your ID photo is rejected, retake it with better lighting and make sure all edges are visible. If your verification code doesn't arrive, confirm your contact details, check spam, and try again after a short pause. If you forgot to enable 2FA or the anti-phishing code, return to security and set them up now. It's a must. Safety reminders for beginners. Only use bookmarked official links for BingX. Don't share your password or seed phrase with anyone. Keep 2FA on. If something looks off, pause, double-check, and contact official support through the app or website. Services and promotions can differ by country and can change over time. Always follow local laws and confirm what's supported where you live. Here's your quick beginner checklist. Create your BingX account. Enter the referral code JC1ZN6 at sign up. Complete KYC with clear photos. Enable 2FA and your anti-phishing code. Open Rewards Hub to view and claim your perks as they become available. If this tutorial helped, please like the video so more beginners can find it, and subscribe for upcoming guides on wallets, withdrawals, on-chain safety, and more. To reach the exact sign-up page one showed, tap the link in the description. Make sure the referral field shows JC1ZN6 before you continue. If it isn't there, type JC1ZN6 manually and proceed. Trade carefully, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.